Hi guys, me Sanita and I am back with a new topic today, and it's Earth's magnetic field weakening impacting the orbiting satellites. As per the new report, and it has been found that this is going to concern us in the next for the next few years, and it really, like, I was shocked on reading these articles. For the last few days I was continuously going through such articles, and finally thought of making a video on it. And these news channels, they are not covering much on this, so I've thought of bringing in a details of that. So as we all know that our earth is a magnet, and consisting of the north pole and south pole, and this is a typical view of the earth's magnetic field. But recently it has been found that in the parts of Africa and in the parts of South America, there has been a weakening in the earth's magnetic field. It has been significantly reduced from 24,000 nanotesla to 22,000 nanotesla. So it is concerning the scientists that why such changes, and it is not reported just now. It has been reported since 2018. The scientists are trying to find out that what might be the reason in this sudden declination of this magnetic field strength. So recently a reason has come out that the magnetic pole reversal. So this magnetic pole reversal is a phenomena which occurs approximately 25,000 years after. What in this case what happens is that the north pole, here you can see in this picture, you can see a typical view of the earth's magnetic field, and the north pole and the south pole. But during a reversal means this complete flipping of the north pole to south pole and the south pole to north pole. So there will be a complete flip in the magnetic field. So in the right side picture you can see during reversal how messy this magnetic field is looking like. We can guess that how much problem it can cause us. We can see here a typical picture of how this earth's magnetic field act as a protective layer for us, for this living being on earth. And because the sun, we know, it continuously outrages the hydrogen gas and all the ions into the outer space. But what things protects us? Nothing but this magnetic field. But this magnetic field is being affected in the recent years. So what impact could it bring on this? What impact could this weakening of the earth's magnetic field bring is that it could majorly impact the orbiting satellites. And if the satellites will be affected, guys, then of course this whole communication system, our phones will not work. Our this whole communication, this media, these telephones, all sorts of communication will ultimately will just be vanished. So according to the scientists, one possibility of this current weakening is a sign of the earth's magnetic field reversal, which is that the earth magnetic pole, as north pole and the south magnetic poles, will completely switch. Scientists say that the earth's magnetic field weakening is gradually weakening, which is resulting in technical disturbances in some satellites orbiting our planet. And the magnetic field is vital for our life, as it protects us from the harmful cosmic radiation and charged particles emitted from the sun. And the field is mostly generated by the ocean of the super hot liquid iron that makes up the earth's outer core around 3000 km below our feet. It creates a electric current that generate and change our electromagnetic field, according to the European Space Agency. This field varies in strength and direction, and over the last 200 years it has lost around 9% of the strength. You can see, guys, this 9%. We try to figure it out, this 9% strength. However, the scientists studying the phenomena have observed that between the years of 1970 and 2020, the magnetic field weakened considerably in a large region stretching from this Africa to South America, known as the South Atlantic anomaly. The South Atlantic anomaly, you can see, this area has grown and moved westward at around a rate of 20 km per year. 20 km per year, the South Atlantic anomaly. This area has grown this so much, and the reason for this reducing magnetic field is not entirely known, and this is the most thing major thing that is concerning us, is that it is not completely known. Swarm satellites are designed to identify and precisely measure the different magnetic signals that make up the Earth's magnetic field, and the new eastern minimum of the South Atlantic anomaly has appeared over the last decade in recent years is developing vigorously. One German scientist is saying such things, and we are lucky to have the swarm satellites in orbit to investigate the development of South Atlantic anomaly. So the scientists are continuously tracking out this anomaly, and according to ESA, the one possibility for current weakening is the Earth's magnetic field is about to reverse, in which the north and south magnetic field switches. Such events are, however, not new and have occurred to roughly every 2005, that is 2.5 lakh years, that is almost 2.5 lakh years after. In fact, a geometric reversal is a long overdue since last it took place around this much years ago. So this is really a matter of concern, guys. The incident article says that the impact of such geometric reversal could be significant given the role of Earth's magnetic field in protecting the planets from the solar winds and harmful cosmic radiation. Can you imagine that what will happen if these cosmic rays will reach our Earth's atmosphere? We will suffer from so many diseases. Our skin cancer, this will cause skin cancer. Our genes will mutate, and cancers will be everywhere, and these plants will die. They can't take this much rays, and also everything will be just flipped off. And telecommunication and satellite systems also rely on this magnetic field to operate, and suggesting that computers and mobile phones could experience difficulties. Means, can you imagine, the whole thing will be, this whole communication system will be collapsed. Another impact of this reversal will be on the birds, turtles and other creatures that use the magnetic field to navigate, according to the article of a Daily Man. Because we know many of the birds, the migrating birds especially, they use the magnetic fields of this earth to move from one place to another place. So how will these migrating birds work, and how this turtle and many other creatures which depend on this magnetic field to find out their habitat? They just follow their habitat like this. So it's a very bad thing which our human we humans will going to face. The ESA team suggesting the South Atlantic anomaly says that the present intensity dip is well within what is considered normal levels of fluctuations. However, the satellites and other spacecraft flying through the area are more likely to experience technical malfunctions, so charged particles can penetrate altitudes of low earth satellites. So you can see, guys, that these are the major concern what we can face, and it's really a matter of concern and hope. Though this is very slow phenomena, it will occur over years and years, but the thing is that already we are going through a pandemic, and if something in other phenomena comes, then it will be a matter of concern, no? So hope you guys have liked this video today, and please try to take care of all, and try to be positive amidst all these natural disasters. So thank you, hope you people will like it, and please subscribe our channel for more such videos, and thank you.